Hey guys, it's Tyler from Mars Investments, and today we got a really good video coming at you guys. Today's video we will be going over how to use Robinhood. If you don't know what Robinhood is, I'm kind of confused on why you clicked on this video in the first place, but if you don't, let's just go ahead and tell you. Robinhood is a free investing platform. They have a mobile app and they also have a website. I use both, but I mainly use the website online. I believe it gives me a little bit more access to what I'm looking at. It's just a little bit more user friendly for me. Don't get me wrong, when I am on the road or driving somewhere or gone for a couple of days, I just have my phone. I will use Robinhood app. It works perfect. I understand it. Today's video, I'm just trying to get you guys to really understand how to use Robinhood, how to buy, how to sell, how to do options, how to read the chart, how to look up the stocks, etc., etc., etc. So guys, let's just jump right into it, okay? So as you see on this screen right here, this is my Robinhood account. It is Saturday, so that means the stock market is not open right now, so it is black. Whenever the stock market is open, this whole black screen, the background will turn white. That's just something Owen it does the same thing in the app as well. So first thing that you probably notice is my account value. I have $28,945 in there, and worked pretty hard for that. I'm not gonna lie, but let's just go ahead and teach you guys just the basics. So you go to Robinhood. First screen that pops up. You won't have this because this is actually stock that I'm buying, but you have this watch list. Now, we have all these ticker symbols in your watch list? No, because some ticker symbols I actually added to. So let's just go over the whole display. So when you first click on Robinhood, you'll have your account value right here. It'll be whatever you have in your account. Now this number right here is, so it says plus 3169, parentheses 11 or 0.11%. That was today, and this is after market hours. So I was up $31 after market hours, or during market hours, and then up $7 after market hours. So that is what those two numbers mean right here. They change every single day. So you scroll down a little more, you'll see the popular collections. So all this are just pretty much a group of stocks. So if you click on one, so the 100 most popular stocks on Robinhood. So we click it, and then it will give you the 100 most popular stocks. You can see their name, their ticker symbol, what you actually type in right here to look at them. Let me change that. Sorry, guys. So Yeti will be YETI, Slack will be Work, Walmart, WMT. You can see their price. So the price that they are actually selling for as of right now, so Walmart selling for $37.10. You can see that's up 2.34% right as of just today. So today, when market opened, and by the time we're closed, it was up 2.3%. You can see the market cap is 4.9 billion. That's a big company. 47,000 people are actually investing on Slack, on the Robinhood app and platform right now, and there's tons of other people. This popular is just the number of people buying it on Robinhood. So let's go back to the main page. So you have the 100 most popular upcoming, new on Robinhood: technology, oil and gas, finance, energy, health. You can show more. It'll just give you a broader spectrum of all those. Go down a little more, it shows you the top movers. Now the top movers could be top gains or top losses. So you see these are in the red. So you can see that car auction services is down 59.41%. Let's just take a look at that real quick. Let's go to the week. So you can see it just dropped. Totally just dropped. We can find out what made it drop in a few minutes. Let's just keep on going over this homepage. So you can see in the PUYE is up 22%. So that's pretty good. Adaptive biotechnology is up 20% as well. You can scroll down a little more and just has the recent news. So news on Tesla, it'll tell you who posted it, IBM Times, how long ago, 11 hours, and how many people have viewed it. So 2,162 people just viewed this post since 11 hours ago. Then you have more like comments, Washington Post, Market Watch, CNBC, IBM, CNBC. They just have a bunch of news. So that's pretty much all that's left on this page. You scroll down and you just get a bunch of news articles. You can click on it and then it'll take you to a whole different link and you read it. You exit out. You go right back. So let's start going into buying and selling options and stocks. So you have a clear idea of what stock you want. Let's say you are just head over heels over Tesla. Tesla's going to the moon. I want Tesla. Nobody's gonna talk me out of Tesla. I'm buying Tesla. Well, if you don't even know what the ticker symbol is, how can you find out on Robinhood? Just type in the company TS. I don't know how to spell Tesla. TESLA. So you can see the ticker symbol is TSLA. So you can go click on Tesla as a chart of one day. You can see in one day what it's been doing. You can go to 1 week. It'll tell you the percent that's up or down. So it's plus 63 cents just over the week. That's only 2.8%. That's not really good. Over a month, it's up 18%. Over 3 months, down 19%. Over 1 year, it's down 36%. And over 5 years, it is down 2.46%. But hey, if you love Tesla, you want to buy it, and there's revolutionizing the EV market, and I just props to them. I really believe in Elon Musk. I really believe in Tesla, what they're doing. But let's get more into it. So you can see about. So let's read more. I'll tell you a little bit about Tesla. Tesla engages in designs of development, manufacture, and sales of fully electronic vehicles. You can keep on reading. You can scroll down. It'll tell you who the CEO is. The CEO is, that's Elon Musk. How many employees he have. The headquarters, founded, market cap, the PE ratio, the dividend yield. If it has dividends, it'll tell you what percentages right there. And the average volume is 9.82 million. It'll tell you the collections, and so it's under energy, manufacturing, under most popular, automotive, transportation, and road transportation. Scroll down, it'll give you the news, everything on Tesla, the price paid on Robinhood. So as of right now, Tesla is 12% lower than its average paid price, which is $254.91. The 52-week high you can see is $387.46, and the 52-week low is $176.99. Has an analyst rating, so 34% of analysts have 32% rating, so 34% of analysts are saying buy, 31 hold, 34 sell. You can just have a little summary of why, the buy summary and the sell summary, the research report, the earnings ratio right here, and it'll tell you the history. So I was buying and selling them. People also bought Tesla, also bought these as well. Something like Amazon kind of does, some people who bought these stocks also bought these shoes. They're funneling into something. Down here, so say if you wanted to buy Tesla, you'd click buy. First things first, if you haven't watched my other videos, please watch about limit orders. It will save it'll save you and your money. Let's say I'll go to a limit order. I see it's at 223.86 right now. I really don't want to buy it that high, so I want to buy it at 220. So I want to buy it at 220, and I want to buy just 5 of them. So 5 shares of Tesla at $220 would be $1,100. Good for day. I want it good till canceled. So you can click this button. It'll say good for day. That means so after today ends, it'll cancel that order. Or good till canceled is you have to physically cancel that order unless if it buys it. So once it buys it, then you have it. You want to worry about canceling it. This order should only execute during normal market hours. I always have this clicked off because I trade pre-market and after market hours. So you check it out. We got our limit price set. We have how many shares. We have good till canceled, and we have this order limit off. So we will click review order. So it will say you're placing a good till cancel limit order to buy 5 shares of Tesla. Your pending order, if executed, will be executed at $220 per share. You submit that buy, and then you're good to go. You have that. You have it sent out. And once it's 220, your order will be filled, and I will have 5 shares of Tesla. So I will be actually trading on Monday. I don't buy and sell stocks over the weekend. You can't. You can do Bitcoin and some futures, but that's really it. So guys, we looked at the homepage. We saw how to buy a stock. Now let's see how to sell a stock. So let's go to JWN, which is Nordstrom. I have 35 shares right now of it. You can see I paid 1,118. And my equity, it's 1,118 and 25 cents. So I went up just a little tiny bit. See, my average cost was 31.94 and it's 31.95 right now. You see everything that Tesla has, this thing has, the CEO, the employees, the BAL, all the news, the price on Robinhood 20% lower right now. The reason why I did buy this is because you can see this huge dip that it took. Once it takes these huge dips, it usually shoots back up. But I'd stick with analysis. We can do that on a different video. Say I want to sell it. So I want to sell Nordstrom. Do the same thing as buy. Remember what I told you? So I want to do a limit order. So this is saying I will not sell my shares until it gets to $35. I'll sell all 35 shares at $35. So that'll be $1,225. And my equity was $1,108. So I get $110, it's $8 back, something like that. So make sure you unclick this. Good for a day or good till canceled. Your review order, and you're placing a good to sell limit order of 35 shares, 35 apiece. You'd submit that. Boom. So once Nordstrom hit $35, I would sell out automatically. Don't even have to worry about it. I don't have to keep on watching the chart just to see when it gets 35 and then sell it, because I already have my limit order placed. So as soon as it hits 35, I'm good. I just have to sit back, relax, maybe view a couple other stocks that I might be interested in right now. So we got the buy, the sell, the home page. Now guys, another huge aspect in trading would be the stop loss order. I use this every day. Sometimes I get stop lossed out, sometimes it doesn't hit it, and I get some good profits. So say JWN, I buy it at $31.94. It's at $31.95. So every cent it goes up, I get 25 cents. So if I wanted to be safe, say if I don't want it to go under $31.94, if it does, I'll lose money. So just to be cautious and safe, I'll do a stop loss order. So you click sell, click these three dots, and click the stop loss order. Now, it says stop price. Now that stop price is what that you don't want your stock to go under for you to sell it. So I don't want my stock to go under 31 point. As soon as it hit 31 points, so say this was at 31.96. It wasn't at 31.95, it was at 31.96. So I just say, okay, it's not really going, it's kind of consolidating. It has a chance of shooting down. I just want to just make a little 25% or whatever you have, my little 1 cent profit per share, and take that and be happy. So I put 31.95. I'd put all my shares, and then I'll review order. So as soon as it hits 31.95, that share price, it will automatically sell. If it starts going lower and lower, I'll be fine. I won't lose any money because my stop loss will be in effect, and it'll sold my shares and I'll made my little profit back. Or sometimes you have a stop loss a little less than what you paid for. So I paid $31.94. I could have my stop loss at $31.90, get a little wiggle room. But once it does hit that $31.90, they would be sold off. Then say if it goes to $31.80, I'd feel relieved because I wouldn't have to hold it all the way down there. It would have sold off at $31.90. I would have lost a little bit, but not as much as it would have shot down another 10 more cents. So guys, that's a huge thing to understand is a stop loss order. You had to have stop losses. You can have mental stop losses, but you have to have real stop losses, because if you don't, you'll bag hold. Your mindset will go, I just want to hold it till I just turn green, till I just make my money back, until I'm even. Once I'm even, I'll sell it. Guys, that's not how the way stock market works. Sometimes it might happen like that, but most times it won't. Stop losses are a must. Please get that in your head. Let's go over a few more things. We can go over your so let's just go to your account. You can see my account. My portfolio value is that, and my buying power is 25. I have some stocks that I'm in the middle of buying right now. Some more JWN, so you can see I have like $2,000 tied up in some limit orders right now. I'm just waiting for Monday for those to hit. So let's just go to my account. You can see that my portfolio value, my stocks and options value is 3% of all my money. The stocks that I own, my total return, how many day trades I have in this week. I had 65 day trades on this week. Everything's looking good. Everything is looking good. So it has your banking, your history. You can get free stocks as well. I'll put my link in the description on this video. So what that will do is if you hit that link, you will get one free stock just for signing up using my account. To be honest with you, I get one free stock as well, but you get a free stock. So you sign up. It's 100% free to use, by the way, Robinhood. Free buying, free selling, just free everything. So you click that link, you make an account, and as soon as you make that account, you'll say you get a free stock. They'll give you 3 little scratch off things. You pick one, you scratch it off, and it could be anywhere from a $5 to $1,000 stock, guys. It could be a $5 stock, or Amazon, which is like $1,200 right now, $1,100. So it's a really cool thing that Robinhood actually does that. So I will be posting my link in the description. So make sure if you are new to Robinhood and if you're thinking about making an account, make sure you click that link so you can get a free stock, guys. Anyway, let's get back. I am Robinhood Gold. That's just because I want to have a $5,000 instant deposit limit. Because if you're non-Robinhood Gold, you can only deposit $1,000 at a time. But with Robinhood Gold, I can deposit up to $5,000, which I wish they could put that a little bit more. But $5,000 for new investors, it's a lot of money. Believe me, even $1,000 for new investors is pretty good amount of money. So that's pretty much all that we have on Robinhood. We learn about the homepage, how to look up stocks, how to buy stocks, how to sell stocks, how to do all your research on them, where to look at on Robinhood, like the CEO, the dividends, all that good stuff. We'll go over the watch list in 1 second. We did our stop loss order, showed you the account, so you guys pretty much have a good understanding of how to use Robinhood right now, correct? I'm pretty sure you guys do. So let's just go over watch list. So watch lists are the stocks that you just want to keep an eye on. You can see Apple's down 0.91%. Man, wow, they're kind of having a rough day. That's a pretty good company. Let's check them out. You can see they're at $1.9808. Scroll down. The max was 233, low was 142, so they're paying 50% higher right now. Average price. Read about it. That's 50% buying. Analysts say buy. So looks like a pretty good stock right now. I'm gonna wait till Monday, see where the direction goes. Because the reason why this is taking such a big hit right now is because news. I believe their main designer is leaving this year and starting his own company, which that news really affects stock, guys. News really has a play on volatility and momentum with stocks. That's a little bit for more intermediate investors. But so you would just say you want to add a stock to your watch list. So let's go SPY. I don't know if SPY is on my watch list. So you click add a watch list. So you type in whatever you want, you add a watch list. So we can go to our watch list and we can see that SPY has been added, and SPY is up 0.51%. So SPY is pretty much the whole market. I'm pretty sure that most of you guys understand what SPY is. If you just want to go through my list, you have Amazon, Groupon, UGAS, DGAS, LK, Gush, Drip, Elf, Beauty, BYND. A couple, pretty much Microsoft, Disney, Netflix. I really only trade higher capped stocks. I like volatility, but I don't like too much volatility. I do understand a lot about investing. That's why I want to help you guys with all these videos. I'll be posting a lot about my mistakes that I've encountered over my career in being a day trader. There's a lot of mistakes that I ran into, and this past week I had 4 green days in a row. Monday was a red day, but I turned the rest of the week in all green days, so I'm really excited about that. Anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, rest of your night, whatever time it is, and we will be seeing you in the next video.